Want to learn how to customize the design of Proof pop-ups quickly and efficiently? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fully personalize your Proof pop-ups and elevate your website's conversion rates. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the design tools and strategies you need to make your pop-ups work for you, not against you. If you're new to Proof, it's a powerful tool that helps increase conversions through social proof pop-ups that display recent activity on your site. But what really sets it apart is how customizable these pop-ups are. The design is crucial to ensuring they catch your visitors' attention without being intrusive. The best part? You can get started with Proof completely free through the link in the description below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses just for you. Now let's dive into how you can customize the design of Proof pop-ups to perfectly match your site and brand style. The first thing you'll want to do is select the pop-up style that fits your needs. Proof offers various templates like activity alerts, testimonials, and sales notifications, so pick one that aligns with your goal. Once you've selected your template, it's time to jump into the design settings. The customization options are pretty extensive. You can change everything from the background color, font style, and even button design. These features allow you to tailor the pop-up to seamlessly match your brand's aesthetic. This is crucial because the pop-up should feel like part of your website, not something slapped on top of it. Next, let's talk about the positioning of your Proof pop-ups. You can easily adjust where the pop-up appears on your page. Whether you want it to pop up at the top, middle, or bottom of the screen, you have full control. You can also choose to have it appear on a specific part of the page or after a visitor takes a certain action, like scrolling or clicking on a product. One of the standout features of Proof is its ability to be responsive. With more and more traffic coming from mobile devices, it's essential that your pop-up looks just as good on mobile as it does on desktop. Proof automatically optimizes your pop-up for mobile, but you can further tweak it to ensure it displays perfectly on all screen sizes. Don't forget the text. The messaging inside your pop-up needs to be clear and engaging. Customize your copy to make it compelling and create urgency. This could be anything from "only 3 left in stock" to "John just bought this product." The more personalized and relevant the message, the more likely it is to drive action. Proof gives you the flexibility to tailor the copy to each pop-up and target specific customer segments. Now, for some advanced customization, you can add custom CSS for even more control. If you're comfortable with coding, this is your opportunity to make the pop-up stand out even more with unique animations or advanced styling. For most users, the built-in design features will suffice, but for those who want to push the envelope, custom CSS is a great option. Before we wrap up, it's important to test your pop-ups to ensure they're performing as expected. Proof offers A/B testing, so you can try different designs and messages to see what resonates with your audience the most. This step is crucial because it allows you to refine your approach and maximize your conversion rates. To summarize, customizing the design of Proof pop-ups is straightforward but powerful. You can tweak everything from the design elements to the copy, making sure your pop-ups align with your brand and website goals. With responsive design, customization options, and A/B testing, Proof gives you the tools you need to boost conversions. By the way, don't forget that you can try Proof completely free using the link in the description below. Plus, you'll get an extended trial period with exclusive bonuses when you sign up through our link. So what are you waiting for? Start customizing your pop-ups today and watch your conversions soar.